हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वी आर बैक विद अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द सीएसएम कॉन्फिडेंशियल। आज मेरे साथ मैंने अपनी बेशर्मी की सारी हदें पार करते हुए मैंने कहा अगर मेरे दोस्त नहीं मानेंगे, मेरे रिश्तेदार नहीं मानेंगे, तो मेरा कस्टमर तो जरूर मान जाएगा। तो आई हैव विद मी श्री कुमार नायर, हेड कस्टमर सक्सेस एट एक्सीबो। जीबो नहीं बोलते हैं गाइस, एक्सीबो बोलते हैं। And we, first of all, before we get started, we are recording this episode the very next day when the India has won the T20 World Cup 2024. तो इंडियन टीम के नाम पे यार एक बारी लाइक दबा दो यार गाइस, लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो। आई लव यू ऑल। ठीक है। सो
like
श्री वेलकम टू द एपिसोड। आई होप आपको अपना संडे आफ्टरनून खराब करते हुए ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं हो रही होगी।
नहीं नहीं कर देते, खत्म कर देते हैं भाई। कितना कितना पीछे पड़ेगा मेरे यहाँ।
सही बात है। देख रहे हो,
एक बार के लिए खत्म ही कर देते।
this is how I treat my customers, guys. So please don't think that anybody in the world is an exception. I am like this with everybody. चलो यार श्री,
चलो, by
let's
the way,
get...
thank
yeah, please
sure,
please go
sure.
ahead.
What I was saying is thank you for this opportunity. ये मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस है पॉडकास्ट, कोई भी पॉडकास्ट में आने का। And I don't know how it's going to turn out. Let's see. I'll just go with the flow. Let's like banter around on things that we do, that we don't do, that we like, dislike.
Of course. That is exactly what CSM Confidential is all about, right? और guys, अगर आप तक अभी तक लाइक नहीं दबाया ना, प्लीज लाइक ठोक दो। इस वीडियो के लिए मेरा एम है कि मेरे को 40 लाइक्स चाहिए कम से कम, और 10 नए सब्सक्राइबर्स चाहिए। ठीक है, फटाफट कर दो यार, मुझे पता है आप लोग सब देख रहे हो। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आप सबसे पहले तो यार, फॉर ऑल दी ऑडियंसेस, मैं तो श्री को बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ। श्री इज नो लॉन्गर जस्ट माय कस्टमर। हम लोग कारोबार कर चुके हैं दिल्ली में। कारोबार इज द सील द डील। ठीक है, कारोबार कर लिया आपने तो इट्स नो लॉन्गर जस्ट अ बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप, इट इज ऑल्सो भाईचारा। तो आई नो श्री वेरी वेल, बट श्री यार, फॉर आवर ऑडियंसेस, जस्ट गिव अस अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बैकग्राउंड अबाउट योर लाइफ, योर फैमिली, योर करियर, व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक शेयरिंग अबाउट इट। लेट्स जस्ट गो विद दैट।
Sure. But उससे पहले, do you want to explain people what कारोबार is? मेरे को पता नहीं सबको इस चीज का आइडिया होगा या नहीं।
आई एम श्योर दिल्ली वाले दोस्त सबके हैं, तो आई एम श्योर पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड। कारोबार इज व्हेन यू गाइस यू हैव ड्रिंक्स इन अ कार। ठीक है, बार इनसाइड अ कार इज कार ओ बार। ठीक है, सो वी हैव डन दैट। सो नाउ शी एंड आई आर नो लॉन्गर जस्ट अ कस्टमर एंड वेंडर, वी आर आल्सो ब्रोस। तो लेट्स जस्ट गो विद दैट नेक्स्ट।
Sure. A quick introduction. My name is Sri Kumar. It's been around 11 years that I've been working. उसमें से almost 8 साल तो I've been a CSM in my career. रहता बैंगलोर में हूँ. I am natively from Kerala. I was born in Maharashtra. There's a part of NCR inside me as well. So, kind of a mixed bag. Currently, I live in Bangalore. I'm working in a company called as Exebo. And yeah, it's the intro. Speaking of hobbies, kuch. I'm a not a part-time. I used to have a band, so I can call myself a musician. I used to play rhythm guitar back in my college days. कुछ 10-15 लोग आते थे सुनने के लिए हमारे shows को, which was a huge achievement.
मेरे स्टैंड-अप में इससे ज्यादा लोग, इससे कम लोग आए हैं श्री, तो इट्स ओके।
चलो बढ़िया है। I don't have to live with that regret. उसके अलावा गाड़ी चलाने का शौक है। I love to drive. I'm probably planning a trip to NCR from Bangalore soon. So one of my longest drive was Kerala to Delhi that I've done, and I keep doing like 1,000-kilometer trips occasionally. अभी CSM नहीं होता तो शायद टैक्सी चला रहा होता मैं कहीं अपना शौक पूरे करने।
Every Punjabi's wet dream.
Yeah. Again, it's been a couple of years, less than a couple of years I've moved to Bangalore. It's a great city. I think that is where I've met a lot of people from our community, and you get to meet a lot of new people, learn a lot, get to know about new orgs, how things work. So I think coming to Bangalore has been a great event that has helped me in like knowing a lot of things about this domain, this industry, people, etc.
Great. तो यार श्री, सबसे पहले तो आई आस्क दिस टू ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबॉडी हु हैज बीन ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट। तो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ द कस्टमर सक्सेस थिंग हैपेंड, लाइक व्हाई डिड यू चूज दिस। यू सेड कि 11 साल में से 8 साल सीएस करे, तो ऑब्वियसली यू वर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स बिफोर दिस। let's just try and understand that कि क्या reason था you wanted to come to CS or how did it happen?
छोटा twist है.
हाँ.
I was not doing something else before CS. I did something else in between and I again came back to CS.
Okay, okay.
So ऐसा था कि I started off as a research project manager, I think back in 2013. So उसमें ये काम होता था कि market research companies, they'll run a lot of surveys and stuff. You need to run those projects.
Okay.
Find out the right audience, collect data, clean it, sanitize it, and send it over to the client. So वो किया कुछ almost एक साल, and then the sister company of my firm, QSample, that sister company is Question Pro. They were a product. So QSample used to use Question Pro to send out surveys. So I was getting good at that tool. I used to like working with the product. यार ये try करते. Then I got into the most common role that evolved into CS, that is support.
Correct.
So I used to handle customer chats. वैसे करते करते I used to build a rapport with a lot of clients, and there were people who used to come asking for me, केसरी है क्या? उसने हमें ये बोला था, क्या हुआ? वो करते करते अभी I kind of thought कि चलो, instead of like focusing on the chatbot, why don't I move on to serving specific customers? खास करके जिनके साथ relationship बन चुका है. Then I got this title account manager. Again, this was a time when CS was not what it is right now. Account manager, I used to feel proud, यार मैं account manager हूँ, यार तुम लोग support वाले, मैं account manager हूँ. वो एक आ गया, फिर पता नहीं अचानक org restructuring हुआ थोड़ा, लोगों का title change हो गया. My VP is like, अब से तुम्हारा title है customer success manager. यार ये क्या होता है? Account manager चलो sense बनता है. I have an account and I'm managing that account. But a customer success, I don't know what success, what. Again, my fear was, am I going back to my old role? Support role. And at time there was not enough clarity ki what is going to happen. I'm like, okay, then gradually after all this reshuffling, there was not much of a change. Same account manager, but under a fancy name. Then slowly we understood how different is this role compared to an account manager. How it was more of a, the entire transition started from being a reactive guy to more of a proactive, strategic person that you are associated with. It's not only that उसका issue solve करके देना है 10 minute में was not my goal. That is when we got to learn that उसको issue आना ही नहीं चाहिए and उसका pain points हटाना है, whatever it is. So that was the start of me as a CS guy. I think I've worked in like 3-4 different orgs under the CS team, and हर एक जगह से कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ सीखा है. And then in between, after Question Pro, I moved on to another company with the same market research role. So I had a very good relationship with my first boss. Then I think after 4-5 years, we were chatting and he's like, I'm going to start my own company. ठीक है. He gave me an offer. Aja, we'll make it big. And at that point of time, I decided to move out of CS and again get back to the research role. But the point is, it was fun. It was only a 3-man company. But I was kind of missing that connect with customers. So tabhi I decided that I think it is CS, this entire universe is kind of made for me. I don't think I'll be fitting in anywhere else. Correct. 1.5 साल काम करने के बाद I took that difficult call to again leave him, and I was equally happy that I'll be getting back to my core competencies. हाँ, ये करते करते 7-8 साल बीत गए. Now I'm currently working at Exibo. And fortunately, out of my 11 years, I think almost 9-10 years, I was working in the survey and market research domain, the CX, EX, all of these experiences domain. That kind of made me get into Exibo. So let's just get on from that interview wala mode to
to that banter wala mood, of course.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो अभी मैं मेरे को जानने का है, मतलब जैसे मेरे just have some kind of funny story which you had with the customer, जो कि उस टाइम पे हो सकता है if you felt it was scary, या maybe it will have repercussion, but if looking back at it you find it like absolutely hilarious.
वो Pride month तो नहीं था ना?
नहीं.
You sent out a wrong vibe to him.
नहीं मतलब हाँ, it was a very awkward handshake, but then he clarified कि
अच्छा ठीक है, it was in person, it was not on text or anything, नहीं तो
नहीं
अगले दिन
it was
स्क्रीनशॉट आ जाएगा लिंक्डइन पे कि
it was in
क्या चल रहा
person,
है।
it was in person,
तो
like अब मैं उसके ऑफिस से निकल रहा था, he just been like I'm moving on to something else, अभी मेरे को ये पूरा प्रोसेस ही नहीं करना है, I don't want to use this, तो but I will eventually get back to this, so I will get in touch, मैंने बोला ठीक है, I'm waiting to be touched, तो उसके बाद ठीक है,
भाई
enough of me, let's hear from you, you tell us
ये
something
हरदीप
that you
कुछ
had
ठीक
with
नहीं है भाई, मेरे को उससे कोई खास अच्छे वाइब्स नहीं आ रहे बोल के चला गया
जया
भाई।
मैम, ये एपिसोड मत देखना प्लीज।
बड़ा टच्ची फील होता है क्लाइंट्स के साथ।
मैं तो मतलब मैं लेट जाऊंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
I haven't had any touchy moments as such, but there were a few funny incidents.
हाँ प्लीज।
I got invited to one of my clients' wedding.
अच्छा।
Yeah, so again the journey was it was a 180-degree turn that customer came out almost about to churn. So in my last org there was a layoff session that happened.
अच्छा।
And there was one particular guy who was handling an account, and I think it got passed on to me with certain amount of baggage. The first call that you get onto that with that client, and when you get to know that they are threatening to leave, I'm like, okay, that's not the right start. फिर वो टाइम पे कोई टूल्स तो थे नहीं, निकाल लिया एक्सेल शीट, बताओ इशू नंबर 1, इशू नंबर 2, ऐसे करते करते 30-32 इशूज आ गए। एक महीना लगाया, पूरा डेली ट्रैकिंग कॉल, ये अपडेट, ये होगा, ये नहीं होगा, लास्ट में सब सवारने के बाद he was so impressed, we actually like sold him some 20% more than what he was paying.
Oh nice,
and eventually like he's like, I'm moving out of my org, मेरा शादी है, तू आ जा, like I'm not even calling my my colleagues, but I would like to एक तो था बंदा मल्लू, so that Mallu card is always helpful.
Of course.
So I didn't go to his wedding, like I had some commitments and work related, but yeah, I felt very happy when like he shared that invitation for something very personal to him. But he's still in touch. I mean,
अच्छा,
मैंने भी उसको मेरे शादी का इनविटेशन भेजा था, वो भी नहीं आया।
वो तो नहीं आएगा। This is like that most Punjabi thing ever कि हम पंजाबीज में होता है यार, ये श्री आपको बताओ, so पंजाबीज have this thing कि किसी ने हमारे यहाँ पे 1100 रुपए का सगन डाला तो हम भी 1100 ही डालेंगे, ठीक है, किसी ने हमारे यहाँ, so basically सगन as in what you give at the wedding ना, मतलब वो लिफाफे में डाल के, तो किसी ने हमारे यहाँ अब वो 500 देकर गया था, उसका रिश्ते का हायरार्की इतना, उसका 500 नहीं बनता है, उसका 5100 बनता है। पंजाबीज आर लाइक ऑलवेज लाइक कंसर्न्ड अबाउट कि लिफाफे का क्या चल रहा है। हमने 5 लोग को इनवाइट किया था, 3 आए थे, अब हम भी 3 ही जाएंगे, हम सारे नहीं जाएंगे, मतलब that's the most पंजाबी थिंग, that is out there। मेरे को एक ये जान रहा था कि यार मतलब although I know as a fact कि यार you're a very calm kind of a person, but कभी कभी तो होता होगा ना कि like even Shri has lost it, कि मतलब अभी तो मतलब पानी सर के ऊपर से निकल चुका है, and I just can't deal with this, अभी गुस्सा आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आया कि you had it with a customer कि यार अब अगर चर्न होता है हो, नुकसान होता है हो, बट मैं अब इसको क्या कहता है, I will answer him in the language that he understands, कुछ ऐसा, मतलब ऐसा कि आपका मुंबईया भाषा में मतलब आता माजी सट के लिए ऐसा कुछ।
हाँ हुआ है
हाँ, तो something like that
ऐसा हुआ था, आतामाजी सटकली पण होती, बट उसके बाद कस्टमर काइंड ऑफ he got scared. I don't know if he was scared or if I kind of overwhelmed him with my emotions. He's like
back foot,
and he was on that, यार कोई बात नहीं यार, हम कर लेंगे यार, आप टेंशन मत लो।
अच्छा।
and this specifically happens, I've seen that this emotion comes out when the clients are in India. I mean, so I think the experience that I faced, Indian customers have a tendency of इतना भरा है तो इतना वसूल करना ही पड़ेगा, so that leads to such a situation.
हाँ, उनका वैल्यू फॉर मनी से ज्यादा एक्सप्लॉइटेशन फॉर मनी वाला वो आ जाता है।
हाँ,
कि जितना मतलब इवन इफ दे नो दैट द सेकंड बेस्ट थिंग दैट दे कैन बाय विल कॉस्ट देम प्रॉब्ली 3x, दे वुड स्टिल वांट टू ईट यू अप फॉर एवरीथिंग।
राइट, बट ठीक है, आई डोंट वांट टू name anything because I'm pretty sure that person might also be watching this. LinkedIn सब जगह कनेक्टेड है हम लोग।
ठीक है। अच्छा, इतने साल हो गए श्री आपको, मतलब 10-11 साल हो गए आपको काम करते हुए, ठीक है, एंड कभी कोई ऐसा ऑकवर्ड मोमेंट हुआ हो किसी कस्टमर के साथ कि यार मतलब कि या आई एम हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू और अंदर से आप
आजकल तो see in my current org I am dealing with this on a say almost weekly basis. Because see there are a lot of clients who are not very tech savvy or those who don't understand things to that extent that we do.
of course.
Now just say some common examples, hypothetical. They are trying to send out SMSs but their SMS servers or gateways are not integrated. तो कैसे जाएगा भाई SMS? So ऐसे तो बहुत होते हैं. And expired plan पे login करने का कोशिश login नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
सर्विस दी जाए उसमें लिखा है कि your account is expired but I don't think why people do notice that. So and again it is a very difficult conversation for me because there is a monetary aspect involved कि भाई पैसा भरना पड़ेगा.
of course.
I cannot go and tell him कि यार तेरा खत्म हो गया है, पैसा खत्म हो गया. But sometimes the way I have to put it is your contract was till this date. That is probably the reason why the backend team has disabled the account. So maybe do one thing, check with your contracting team to see if we can extend it. So that is I have to like put it in a nice way. I can't upright होके बोल नहीं सकते कुछ.
हाँ of course. आइडिया हो जाता है थोड़ा सा awkward. ये इस टाइप की सिचुएशन तो सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को लगता है awkward हो जाती है.
और मतलब एक दो इश्यूज तो मेरे साइड से थे. In one of my last orgs, so there is a feature called a scheduler. Scheduler is something which triggers at the configure time. एक क्लाइंट था and it is a very interesting use case. So Stanford पता है US का Stanford यूनिवर्सिटी.
हाँ of course.
Stanford का एक रिसर्चर है. So this guy was evaluating the effects of sleep. Okay. Stanford Research Institute का some big doctor. He has like some 10-15 patents and theses on his name. He is evaluating sleep and he wants to like trigger out a survey at a very specific time, 9 o'clock. He wanted the respondents to tell them how they are feeling. And every data point is important. And ऐसा था कि हमारा scheduler काम नहीं कर रहा था. बंदे ने बवाल मचाया कि क्या है, you have any idea what all things are at stake. इतना मेरे को मेरा पेपर खत्म करना है, थीसिस सबमिट करनी है. You guys are putting everything on like jeopardy right now. उसके बाद फिक्स करवाया. उसको बोला पिंकी प्रॉमिस भाई आज ये हो जाएगा 9 बजे. मैं लिख के देता हूँ I'll be on call. और देखा तो 9 बजे हुआ ही नहीं वो. एक टीम को इधर से कीबोर्ड में गंदी गालियां जा रही है. हम लोगों ने क्या बोला था होगा, अब तक नहीं हुआ. क्लाइंट मेरे साथ कॉल पे, उन्होंने जाके मैन्युअली ट्रिगर किया पहले और फिर थैंकफुली दैट गॉट फिक्स्ड. बट when you assure your client that it's going to be fixed and we have done it and like you know that a lot of things are on the line and if it still it doesn't work, like I am the face in front of that guy and I am representing my company.
हम लोग का मतलब सीएसएम का जिंदगी मतलब इट्स लाइक अ डिफॉल्ट सलमान भाई कि एक बार मैंने जो कमिटमेंट कर दी फिर मैं किसी की नहीं सुनता. अपने आप हम सुन भी नहीं सकते, फिर हम सिर्फ गाली खा सकते हैं.
प्रॉब्लम ये होता है ना, कमिटमेंट करने वाले हम होते हैं बट हमको जो कमिटमेंट देता है वो सब की
उनका चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, उनके पास है ना. मतलब सीईओ बोल देगा अरे नहीं टेक टीम भी बहुत बिजी है और सब बोल देगा, तुम्हारा मैनेजर बोल देगा, तो क्या करोगे? ठीक है भाई जाते हैं, फिर जाएंगे. यू हैव टू यूज योर स्किल एंड रिलेशनशिप एंड लेवरेज इट.
And what I feel is part of our skills should also involve handling such a situation. Like there might be a situation where it's not going to work every time. You make a commitment, there is a high chance that the other stakeholders might not follow it. You'll get embarrassed eventually. That's a different case. But handling that situation is important, and I think that is where your true skills lie.
Yeah. I am just left with the one or two more questions. एक छोटा सा यार आप HR मोमेंट बता दो अपनी लाइफ का कि HR के साथ क्या कोई नोक झोंक या खींचतान.
HR मोमेंट्स थोड़े बहुत हुए हैं. So you know the funny part, I think you were recently mentioning about like switching and all. हाँ. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि जिस कंपनी में मैंने पहले ज्वाइन किया, I didn't want to work there. I'm like यार मैं तो मेरे घर वालों ने बोला है कि जा इंटरव्यू दे नहीं तो घर से निकाल देंगे. तो इसीलिए मैं गया. हाँ ले लो कर लो जो पूछना है पूछ लो बोल के गया. And I went there with the like sole intention of getting rejected.
अच्छा.
So I went there with a chappal and that time I had a ponytail ऐसा बांध के, black t-shirt, blue jeans. Resume was in my pen drive. I didn't have any certificates. and यार छोड़ो reject करना ही है तो सारे points दे देते इनको. He was not dressed professionally. ponytail भी एकदम and resume नहीं बनाया.
audition देने आया ऐसा लग रहा है.
हाँ so वैसा गया मैं and my hiring manager. So again he was my boss, and eventually we became roommates, and he has been a great. Even we still are in touch. And that guy is a typical Batista bodybuilder.
हाँ.
देख के तो थोड़ी फटी पहले कि यार
अच्छा.
इसका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं. Then he had a look at my resume का PDF. He asked me a few questions. I think he was trying to judge my communication skills and stuff. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, 4 questions हो गए. उसके बाद में if we decide to hire you, when can you join? उसको बोला यार ये कहाँ जा रहा है कॉन्वर्सेशन. मैं उसको बोल दिया 1 महीना. हाँ 1 महीना इसी बफर डाल के बोल दिया, एटलीस्ट उनको जल्दी कोई चाहिए रहेगा तो रिजेक्ट कर देगा. तो मेरे को 1 महीना लगेगा. तो उसने सोचा होगा ये तो जॉब नहीं कर रहा है, इसको क्यों 1 महीना चाहिए. फिर बाद में मेरे को बोलता हाँ ठीक है 1 तारीख से आ जा. बोला 1 तारीख से आ जा. फिर उसके बाद आई वेंट देयर. चलो I wanted to go to Pune. I wanted to get into industrial design. So I've done industrial design as my studies, in my studies. I wanted to go there, but again there were a lot of other reasons why I couldn't continue. It was very expensive, and India mein it was very difficult to like get a proper like that career path is not very easy. So wo tha, and that at that point of time you have certain goals जो possible है नहीं है, that's a different story. But join किया, प्रोबेशन तक तो निकाल ही लेंगे, उसके बाद देखता हूँ. बोलते बोलते आई स्पेंड 5 years इन दैट कंपनी.
सही खेल गया बेंच.
नाउ इट्स टाइम टू प्ले द मोस्ट क्लीशे गेम, जिसे मैं अपने पॉडकास्ट की भाषा में बुलाता हूँ, द AK-47 राउंड. आर यू रेडी? ठीक है. इस गेम में
क्या मतलब आई थिंक यू विल आस्क मी अ सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. इज इट हाउ इज इट गोना वर्क?
सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले द मोस्ट बॉलीवुड गेम एवर. ठीक है. हमें आपके अंदर के सारे जज्बात बाहर निकालने हैं. ठीक है. So I am going to say one random word and you have to say the first word that comes to your mind when you hear that word. You cannot think for a very long period of time. ठीक है. अगर आप ज्यादा सोचोगे तो every time you take more than 2 seconds you get penalized with 1 beer for me. ठीक है. तो अभी आप देख लेना कितने. ठीक है.
मतलब ये क्या है, मतलब कुछ हैम्पर मिलेगा बाद में?
नहीं मलिक है, गरीब आदमी का देखो ये सब मांग मूंग के काम चल रहा है. ठीक है.
लस्सी विद हरदीप ऐसा कुछ है शो का नाम?
नहीं कोके कोले विद करे हरदीप कर दूंगा.
तेरी बहन बनाती कोके कोले. व्हाट इज कोके कोले?
चलो let's start with the AK-47 round. Yes. The AK-47 round starts in 3, 2, 1. Bangalore.
Coffee.
Boss.
And beer.
Oh, nice.
Boss. Friend.
Wow, ये first time
Grumpy
सुन रहा हूँ
friend. I mean, I hope he doesn't see this.
Grumpy friend. Company.
Home. Second home.
Trip.
Trip. I would always like to. That I want to keep doing my rest of my life.
Okay.
क्या
Customer.
उसके लिए एक word है पता नहीं.
नहीं. It's okay. One
Partners.
word, one situation, something like that. Anything. ठीक है.
Customer, partners.
Okay. Party.
Occasionally, sometimes, like not every day.
Rinse.
Pakoda.
Nice. Family.
Maggie यार.
हाँ, Maggie.
Family. 8 घंटे के बाद मतलब डेली 24 में से 8 निकाला तो कितना होता है? 16 घंटे. बाकी का 16 घंटा इसमें फैमिली.
Okay. अच्छा. Delhi.
गर्मी.
Nice. Hardeep.
Friend.
We just want to conclude this. So I always talk about this on my podcast. जैसे मेरे बहुत सारे शौक है. मतलब I maybe while trying to cope with difficult times I started doing all of this. जैसे I started doing dance when I was a kid. Then I started with swimming. फिर उसके बाद अभी workouts is my biggest thing. फिर यूकेलेले बजाना सीखा खुद से. I do a little bit of writing. ठीक है. तो काफी सारी चीजें हैं मतलब which I do just to keep my own self alive also. Because अब सब काम तो कर ही रहे हैं but there is something also you want to do. So what is it that जैसे मेरे को solo travel का बहुत शौक है. I travel everywhere. Almost solo ही जाता हूँ. Very rarely I like to go with people. Solo travel is like my biggest thing on my list. Other than working out. So what is it that you like to spend time with? Is there anything that you think you're particularly good with? Let's just try and know your interests. What does Shri do outside of work?
outside. See, the one is music. I play guitar. I had a band in my like वो एक college वाला जो time होता है ना, when you are like some 8-17, वो जो एक starting का जो 20 साल तक का जो when you don't have a job. My job was to like play guitar, roam around, sing. I had a band and we even started recording, but again I guess what happened was everyone सब यहाँ वहाँ चले गए. Few of them went abroad, so now it's a hobby. जो my wife is a vocalist, she sings and I play guitar.
Okay,
So हम
nice.
लोगों का personal band है घर के अंदर.
Okay.
Apart from that, I've lived in Pune, so I had a huge circle there, and we used to go out for campings quite occasionally. So we had all the gears, everything, tent, we even had a couple of boats and raft. We used to go and spend like a day or two in the middle of nowhere, no internet, no phone, nothing. So that is something that has changed my life. I mean, it's when you are very very much detached to the things that you are used to, like technology, laptop, office, and you have nothing but just like the stars in over your top of your head. Like just spending 2 days in such an environment can really do a lot to your mental health. We used to cook by the fire, murgi लाके मसाला डाल के we used to make kebabs and eat. So that is something that I loved a lot. उसके अलावा I cook really well.
Okay.
Again, sorry if my wife is watching this. Sometimes I cook better than her.
Okay.
Yeah, I think she'll also agree to it. So I'm not good in the usual roti dal stuff, but all these exotic stuff like pasta, pizza, Chinese and stuff. उसमें अच्छा मेरे को touch है. So जो भी routine वाला काम है, she'll do it. बाकी जब कुछ स्पेशल खाने का मन करे then मेरा काम हो जाता है. House parties also I make sure that I cook because खर्चा बच जाता है उससे.
Okay.
And yeah, I paint. I've done industrial design. I love sketching cars. Maybe I can show you some of my old sketches.
Yes.
कभी
please, I
मन
think
करे तो painting भी.
the people will also love it.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Paintings भी करता था बीच में. I'm like एकदम mature level के लगते हैं अभी, but whenever I used to complete one painting, I used to be very happy for the next 1 week. यार ये तो एकदम सही बन गया है. 2 महीने बाद वो जब खोल के देखो तो फिर अरे ये ऐसा बन गया था क्या? That's a different story, but yeah.
काफी सारी चीजें यार, मतलब कैंपिंग, ट्रैवलिंग, गिटार, कुकिंग, पेंटिंग.
हाँ, मैंने बताया था ना, I am like the unofficial driver of my house.
हाँ. I think men usually assume that role by themselves also. हमें बहुत शौक होता है, like somehow we just want to be at the steering wheel at all times.
Yeah, and we had a WagonR when Uber was not there. So like I used to drive an Uber before Uber was in India.
Okay. Nice. चलो बढ़िया. Thank you so much, Shri. Thank you so much for giving me this time on this Sunday afternoon. अब
It's a pleasure, man. चलो, at least finally now you won't call me every day, Shri bhai.
हाँ. इतनी पोल.
चलो, jokes aside, it was great talking to you. I hope we can connect on a similar podcast, maybe after a few months again. Let me see. मैं कुछ नया सीख के आता हूँ so that I can use your channel to kind of share.
Yeah. Meanwhile, thank you so much, Shri. Thank you so much for joining us, and it has been a pleasure. And we will see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं